over here, guys, we have them, we have the keywords. Now we can actually craft a statement, an actionable plan. We have essential short sleeve tees, the cheaper one, the basic ones, nothing crazy, probably 40-50% cotton shirts, yoga socks, sweatsuits, sandals, water shoes, floral print, kimonos. That's what I haven't heard of. Quick dry running shorts. Yeah, this is very popular. People have been going out running even in the cold days. We have a cargo shorts, loafers, tank tops, golf polos, swimming trunks, sundresses, leggings. Okay, we have pretty usual items, guys. There are some specifics that are related to particular sport or hobby, but overall, I don't think you can actually go wrong by looking into this, doing more research. A lot of people have been jumping on and off from the beauty and personal care. This looks like always good niche because people are always gonna be buying like cosmetics and stuff, but usually it's quite competitive and it's really hard to promote because you need, female, you need to find some creator who is willing, to do the ad for you. But it's very good.